How to fix 403 forbidden error. This usually means the website is refusing your request, but there are a few simple things you can try to fix it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings. From the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. Now, click Third-Party Cookies. Scroll down and select See All Site Data and Permissions. Use the search bar to find the website that's showing the 403 error. For example, if you're having trouble with YouTube, search for YouTube. Find the website in the results and click the Delete button next to it. Confirm by clicking Delete again. Now, let's check your browser extensions. Select Extensions from the left sidebar. Temporarily disable or remove your extensions, especially any VPN, proxy, privacy, or ad blocking extensions that could be interfering with the website. Once you've done that, close Chrome completely and reopen it. Try visiting the website again and check if the 403 forbidden error has been resolved. And that's how you can fix the 403 forbidden error in Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next.